Oh, is HVAC family friendly? Let's find out. So sitting here with Travis, he's been in the industry for 19 years. He has a kid and he can shed some light on it. So what do you think, Travis? Industry family friendly?
Yes, it's fairly family friendly. There's always going to be that little bit of extra stress that you'll take home with you, but majority of my experience was my 19 years has been construction work, and all the way up to supervising in construction. There's always going to be those little things that you'll, I guess, take on as stress, but you learn to, I guess, build on that, and it only makes you stronger.
So here with Carlos, he's been in the trade for 35 years now and has had 4 kids. So would you consider this a family-friendly trade, or what's your thoughts?
Well, I know that when I first started, I was very young, very eager, and I had a lot of instances where I had to work late or start early, and so I did miss some of that family time. As I was in the field a little bit longer, I was able to make better use of my time, and I was able to spend more quality time with my family. I think some of it also depends on what part of the field you go into. If you're in the service department, or if you're a service technician, you should be used to, or at least be aware, that you will get called out at night, early mornings, on the weekends, so that can disturb some of your family time. But like I said, the longer you stay in it, the more you adjust to it, and as you progress, hopefully, the more availability you'll have to spend that quality time with your family.
Perfect. With that, my take on it is yes. I see HVAC as very family friendly, but it really comes down to how well you manage your career, your time, and what you're doing. If you can put yourself in a position to where it makes it very stressful on your family, and you can put yourself in a position, and you may have to be at some times, where it's going to be stressful for a time. But if you manage it well and you go at it as a family, and everybody knowing up front just what to expect, it is manageable and you'll get past it. You'll be able to move on and to do other things that's not going to be so stressful on your family and on what you're doing. There's all kinds of people in this trade who have been very successful and have had very successful families through it. There's a lot of people who haven't. So you've got to be very intentional as to how you approach your career and what you're going to do. And that's going to be the ultimate thing that decides how friendly it is to you. And that's like anything in life. So at the end of the day, is HVAC family friendly? The ultimate answer is yes. It is definitely family friendly, as long as you put yourself in a position for it to be. If you're choosing jobs where you're having to work all kinds of crazy hours, and you don't have any other options or breaks, you might consider putting yourself in a better position to where that's not the case. Anyway, we'll check out with that. Hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.